Living a keto lifestyle is simple in concept, but starting out can be confusing. There are many things that can inhibit your progress, and in this video, we'll discuss 6 practical tips to help you on your keto journey. Do your own research. There is a lot of information available on keto, some good and some not so good. To form your own opinions and gain your own comprehension of what keto is all about, do your own research and get information from credible sources. Don't just rely on someone else's opinion, and be sure to formulate your own beliefs. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is simply not eating snacks in between meals. By lengthening the time between meals, you can keep insulin levels low, which is key to the keto diet. Insulin triggers fat storage, so by keeping insulin levels low, fat burning can take place. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. When following a keto diet, it's important to eat whole, unprocessed foods. This means avoiding foods that are high in sugar, carbs, and processed ingredients. Focus on healthy fats, proteins, and low-carb vegetables to fuel your body and keep you feeling satisfied. Stay hydrated. When you're following a ketogenic diet, your body produces ketones, which are excreted through urine. This means that you may be losing more water and electrolytes than usual, which can lead to dehydration. To prevent this, it's important to drink enough water and replenish your electrolytes through foods like avocados and nuts, or through supplements like magnesium and potassium. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and more if you're exercising or living in a hot climate. Stay active. Physical activity is important for overall health and well-being. While following a keto diet, it's important to stay active to help your body burn fat and build muscle. Find an activity that you enjoy, whether it's walking, running, or yoga, and make it a regular part of your routine. Not tracking your macros and calories. While it's true that keto is often associated with eating high-fat foods, it's important to remember that calories still matter. Eating too many calories, even if they are from keto-friendly foods, can still lead to weight gain. This is why tracking your macros, carbs, protein, and fat, and calories can be helpful to ensure you're staying within your desired range. You can use a food diary or a mobile app to track your intake and make adjustments as needed. To avoid mistakes, some people prefer a meal plan like the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, which can provide guidance on what to eat and when to eat it. This meal plan can also ensure that you are getting the appropriate amounts of protein, fat, and carbohydrates and helps you stay on track, and makes keto easier for you to stay in ketosis. Link in the description for the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan.